Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Thanks so much for watching this video. This is a check-in for week 1, right, which started on September 1st and goes through September the 11th. So a little bit of an extended week for week 1. However, there's some great information in the course content section, which I'm sure you've already looked at. Thanks again for those who reached out and said there's an issue with accessing the course. We were able to fix that really quickly. A little bit of a glitch on our end, so apologies for that. But get started with this course by clicking on course content, looking at the Welcome to the Law and Ethics video, and then your legal research paper video, which, more information to come about that, and you can watch that video for information about that project. However, we've jumped into chapter 1 this week, which talks about the legal structure for the United States, and we're going to spend some time in understanding that. You do have a awesome lecture that you need to take a look at. So it's titled Medical Law and Ethics, right, which is the title of the book and of the class. So be sure to take a look at the videos that I mentioned both in course content and in week 1's chapter. Further, you're going to have review questions which are due every week, so make sure you do your review questions by the 11th. They're meant to study, so they're not really meant to be super intimidating. I know it's set up as a test, but it's a formation of a study. So you look at the questions, and then you have an idea of what you were supposed to learn in the chapter. If you don't do good on the first round, reach out to me. I'm happy to open it up again for you so you can have a second round attempt. So it's not meant to trick you. It's not meant to be extremely difficult. It's just meant to help you study. Of course, information will be available, of course, on the syllabus section for the course schedule and the course syllabus. Let me talk a little bit about the schedule. You'll have some special lecture items relative, of course, to changes in legal things in healthcare. Those will come up from time to time, and the course schedule may be edited. However, the week-by-week large items that we'll be addressing with lectures, addressing them will not change. I just will add to the lectures with additional videos. So I think that's pretty much everything. Of course, you know about me. We've worked together before for the majority of you in communications, and I'm really looking forward to spending this time in law and ethics chatting about the important things in healthcare. And don't hesitate to email me. I'm looking forward to working with you throughout the semester. Thanks so much.